Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js and the Firebase. Previous two videos we have done with the read part and create part. Now we are going to the update or edit. Okay, so those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have already the records. Let's try to edit part. Okay, so we have to go with the edit. So it's empty, so we have to add the edit section. So let me open my previous edit section part. So let me copy and add this in the edit. Okay, so what we have, do the edit part. So here we have a update section. Okay, so where here we are offering the doc.id. So we have to pass the id of that record. So first we have the name, then we have a phone, then we have a email part. Okay, so here we have referencing the values doc.email, doc.mobile, doc.name. Okay, so here we have a action is post. So this is the basic form that we have done. Okay, and rendering the data. So where the data is coming on, so let's go and create in the app.js file. Okay, so next part is update or edit. Edit or edit, you can see. Okay, so let's create the function. So first we get the route. Okay, so here we go with the route part. So here we have the edit. So this is the route. Okay, so here you can see that we have a edit. We need the id. Okay, require.params id. Then we will call the read single data. Okay, and passing the collection name and the id and render the edit part. Okay, so the next one we have to go with the function read single data. This is edit for, like, you can say about the rendering all the data. Then we have a update post request where we are updating the records into the Firestore. So this is that one. Okay, this is the post request, this is the edit part. Okay, on the behalf of the data we are going to show into the edit section. That is that this one where we have added like the doc.name, doc.mobile, doc.email. So this part we are getting from the app.js, this one edit. Okay, so this is the data that we are showing over here when it render the data edit one. Okay, then we have to update one. When we click on the update button, okay, so what we are receiving, the params id. Okay, then the data to update, name, mobile or email, whatever it can be. Okay, then we have to call the method update data. We have to send the collection name, then id and data to update, and then redirect to the listing page. Okay, then we have to create the update data function. So this is update dot data, right? I need to just copy this one. Okay, so this is complete, right? So this is, will take the collection name and the doc id and doc reference to up. This is a function update, or whatever the data you want to update, just pass it over here. Okay, this is done for the update. Let's try to run this one. Okay, let's go and check. Okay, so I want to edit this test 2020. So it says that something went wrong, read single data. So first of all, I think we have a read single data also. Update read single data for the edit part. We have to show that all the listing over here. So we have a read single data. So let's try to add this one. So this is the read single data, because we have to read a single data to show that into the edit part. Okay, so this is read single data. On the behalf of id, we have to return the collection. Okay, const doc. So return the doc id and all the doc data. Okay, save this, try to run again, and then reload this. Now on the behalf of id, all the data is coming over here, right? So this is the showing all the data first. Okay, if I go, we just add the test Rajni, only the name. And when we click on the update, post request hits update, and here you can see that the name is updated. Okay, so this part will call update. Okay, so we are going to update the records and redirect to the listing page slash. Okay, so this is how we are able to update the data with the help of the Node.js, Firebase, and the Firestore. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Last part we have left with the delete section. Okay, so after this, the CRUD application part gonna be closed. After that, we will go with the new Node.js Firebase, that is the authentication system with the help of the Node.js Firebase. Okay, so we will continue with the series, right? So whatever running with the Firebase and the Node.js, we are going to learn in this series, because one of my subscriber requested for this series to upload, so I will come up with this series and upload that one. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.